Most people see a $75 annual fee and immediately think the card has to deliver massive value to justify it. And honestly, that's fair. Because in 2026, there are more travel cards competing for your wallet than ever before. But here's the truth no one tells you. The Wyndham Earner Plus card is not trying to compete with ultra-premium luxury cards. Its value comes from something much simpler and much more practical. Consistency. And for the right traveler, that consistency can easily outweigh the annual fee. In this video, I'll break down whether the Wyndham Earner Plus card is actually worth paying $75 per year for, who benefits most from it, where people waste value, and the hidden feature that quietly makes this card stronger than many people realize. And later, I'll show you a quick shortcut to decide whether this card fits your lifestyle in under 1 minute. So let's get straight into it. The biggest mistake people make when evaluating annual fee cards is focusing only on the fee itself. That's backwards. The smarter question is, what total value can the card realistically generate for your lifestyle? Because a card with a fee can still save you money if the benefits consistently outweigh the cost. And this is exactly how the Wyndham Earner Plus card works for certain travelers. Now let's break down the core value. The card typically offers higher Wyndham earning rates, elite status benefits, and anniversary point bonuses. Individually, none of these sound life-changing. But together, they create compounding value over time. Now imagine Jake travels domestically several times yearly and regularly books Wyndham hotels during road trips. Without the Earner Plus card, he earns points at a slower pace. With the card, his earnings accelerate significantly. That means future free nights arrive faster. And this is where most people underestimate the value. Small earning boosts compound surprisingly quickly across an entire year. Now here's where it gets interesting. The anniversary bonus alone can offset a meaningful portion of the annual fee, depending on how you value Wyndham points. This is one reason experienced travelers focus heavily on long-term value, instead of just sign-up bonuses. Because welcome bonuses disappear eventually. Ongoing value stays. But here's the problem. A lot of people apply for travel cards that don't match their real behavior. That destroys value immediately. If you rarely stay at Wyndham hotels, the Earner Plus card becomes much harder to justify. Travel rewards only work efficiently when your spending habits and travel habits align naturally. Now in a minute, I'll show you the exact type of traveler who benefits most from this card. But first, let's talk about another important feature. Automatic Wyndham Platinum status. A lot of viewers hear hotel status and assume it's mostly marketing. That's partially true in some programs. But Wyndham Platinum status can still provide useful practical advantages like bonus point earnings, preferred rooms when available, and occasional travel conveniences. No, it's not ultra-luxury treatment. That's not the point. The value comes from repeated small advantages over time. And because the card targets practical travelers rather than luxury travelers, those smaller perks matter more than flashy benefits. Now here's where most people fail. They compare the Earner Plus card against premium cards costing several $100s annually. That's the wrong comparison entirely. The better comparison is, does this card generate more value than its own fee? For many regular Wyndham users, the answer can absolutely be yes. Especially road travelers. Now let's talk about earning rates because this is one of the strongest parts of the setup. The Earner Plus card generally rewards Wyndham hotel stays, gas purchases, and select spending categories more aggressively than the basic no-fee version. That matters because gas spending is recurring. People already spend money on fuel constantly. So instead of chasing complicated travel strategies, you're converting everyday expenses into future hotel stays. And honestly, simplicity is underrated. Now here's where it gets interesting again. The Wyndham ecosystem works especially well for domestic travelers and road trips. Wyndham's hotel footprint is enormous. Days Inn Tota, La Quinta, Super 8, Microtel, Wyndham Garden. These hotels appear everywhere across highways, smaller cities, and practical travel routes. And this is exactly why the Earner Plus card quietly fits a specific type of traveler extremely well. Now let's discuss the hidden feature many people overlook. Faster point accumulation changes redemption flexibility. This is important. If you earn points slowly, many good redemptions remain out of reach for long periods. But accelerated earning allows you to target expensive travel dates more strategically. Holiday weekends, concert weekends, peak summer travel, last-minute bookings. That's where Wyndham points usually become most valuable. And faster earnings help you reach those opportunities sooner. But here's the caution. The card only works well if you redeem points intelligently. Many people waste points during cheap hotel periods where cash prices are already low. That's a mistake. Experienced travelers compare cash prices, point requirements, and total trip costs before redeeming. That one habit dramatically improves value. Now let's answer the biggest question directly. Who should actually get the Wyndham Earner Plus card? People who travel domestically, drive frequently, stay at Wyndham hotels multiple times yearly, and want practical rewards without ultra-premium complexity. That's the ideal audience. Now compare that to someone who mainly wants luxury airport lounges, international airline perks, or 5-star resort benefits. This card probably won't satisfy them. And honestly, that's okay. Not every card needs to target luxury travelers. Now let's do the shortcut test I mentioned earlier. If you regularly use Wyndham hotels and can realistically generate enough extra points and anniversary value to exceed $75 annually, the card probably makes sense. If you rarely use the ecosystem, the no-fee Wyndham Earner card may be the smarter option. Simple. Die. Now here's another thing people underestimate. Annual fees can actually improve engagement. Because users want to maximize value, they often become more strategic with spending and redemptions. And that increased engagement can lead to much stronger long-term rewards. Now before we finish, let's address the biggest mistake people make. Overspending to justify the fee. Never do that. The card should optimize purchases you already plan to make. Travel.de. Hotels. Nothing extra. Nothing extra. That's how rewards remain profitable. So here's the bottom line. The Wyndham Earner Plus card can absolutely justify its $75 annual fee in 2026 for the right traveler. The stronger earning rates, anniversary bonuses, and platinum status benefits can collectively create more value than the fee costs. But the card only works well when your lifestyle naturally fits the Wyndham ecosystem. That's the key. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the travel card annual fee you think is most worth paying right now. And if you want, I can also break down whether the Wyndham Earner Business Card gives even better long-term value than the Earner Plus.